How to log in OneNote in Windows 11. So open OneNote, it will ask the sign in process. So enter your email, phone or Skype number. So this way guys, you can open the OneNote online or with your application. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you.